everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have an intro for you. I'm actually filming this well after the project has started just because my filming schedule has been a little hectic lately. It's always that way in January for some reason, and I was unable to film it at the end of December because, again, filming schedule was crazy. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab. This is a child of the 80s, Project Pan. I am not a child of the 80s, but I was a child in the 80s, so that counts, right? It does count, right? So anyway, this is a year-long project. It was created by Jaylon, who has started her channel this year, and I'm so excited. I love watching her videos. I just love her to pieces. She is going to be linked down below, and there's going to be a spreadsheet with everyone, like the whole world has joined in for this project. They're going to be linked down below in that spreadsheet, so you know, go check them all out. It's such a cute project. It really is. There are 40 prompts, and they all are like pop culture from the 80s, and you know, they're named for different pop culture, and then you have like the prompt that goes with like the little theme or whatever. It's just so cute. And you do it random. You pick 8 at a time. It is like a rolling roulette style. I love it. I love it so much. I actually I'm not going to be drawing live here, like while I'm filming this, because I already did that. And what I did, because I get so much glare on this phone and it drives me nuts when I'm editing it. I know it must drive you guys nuts when you're watching it. So what I did is I did a screen record while I was picking out my 8 numbers. So I am going to insert that here. Okay, I am using the Pretty Random app on my phone, and I am putting in numbers 1 through 40, and let's draw. First number is 21. Prompt number 33. Prompt number 3. Prompt 29. Prompt number 9. Prompt 27. Prompt 1, and prompt 10. And now I'm going to read all of the prompts to you that correspond with those numbers. So let me pull it all up, because I have like my spreadsheet here, and you know how like OCD organized I've got to be. Can't speak, but I'm OCD and I'm organized. All right, for prompt number 21, it's where's the beef? And if you guys are children of the 80s or 70s like myself, you'll recognize some of these. Where's the beef? That is a brown or a neutral product. So for that one, I chose the Revlon Color Stay Brow Mousse. I used this last year in Partners in Cream. It was rolled in towards the end. I knew I couldn't finish it. I have no way of telling you how much is in it because you can't see in there, and there's not enough weight to it to really make a difference. So I'm just going to use it. I don't love it, but I do want to get it used up. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do with that one. For prompt number 33, that is shoulder pads. Oh my God, I remember those days. It was hideous. It was absolutely hideous. That is a product that amplifies. So like a mascara, glitter, highlighter, anything that gives you some oomph and emphasizes stuff. So, you know, I went the easy way and I chose a mascara. This one is the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. This one I am not going to be able to get to right away because I am working on one of these exact mascaras in another project that is already opened. I want to finish that one first. And these take me probably 3 to 4 months to finish up, and that's with daily use. So yeah, this is probably not even going to be open for a few months, so it's okay. We're going to be just fine. We'll get it done this year. And just so you know, everything that I'm showing you, my intention is to use it completely. All right, for number 3, which is Eye of the Tiger, it's an eye product, so an eyeshadow, mascara, liner, whatever. And also prompt 29 is the Walkman. That is something that you have purchased or used over and over and over and over. I remember back when I had a Walkman. The reason I am doing both of those is because they are both back to back, and they are both in my Coastal Scents 88 palette, which I have clearly used this over and over again. And And the shades. The shades I have definitely used over and over again. These are both in the same row. In the last row, I'm going to try not to blind you. I have them numbered 1 through 11 here and A through H down this way. And I have chosen D11 as my Eye of the Tiger, which is this shade right here, this brown. And then E11 is my Walkman, which is something I've used over and over again. I've used so many browns over and over again that, yeah. So those are my two for that one, or for those two actually. The next one for prompt number 9 is Star Wars, and that is something glittery. You know me, I love my glitters. So I have a glitter gel. This is from ColourPop. It is Break the Ice. It is literally just a glitter gel. It is so pretty. I haven't even used it yet, and it just looks so stinking pretty. I can't wait to get in there and use some of that. All right, moving on to number 27, the Smurfs, and that is something blue or with blue packaging. No, I did not pick a blue eyeshadow. All of you people out there that are like, yes, blue eyeshadow. No, not blue eyeshadow. I chose this because it has a blue packaging. This is a lip balm. I got it from like a health fair. This is from Johns Hopkins. It has a little bit of usage, but it got pushed down. It's like those EOS style. It got pushed down, and in my infinite wisdom, I thought, I'm going to turn this upside down and microwave it on a slightly lower setting to try to get it to form that mold again. No, it started to like melt. So it's a hot mess. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually probably going to depot this and put it in an empty like lip balm tube. Like when one of these is done, I will probably, you know, melt it and pour it in one of those things, because I don't want to use it in this form. It just, no, I don't play that game. But I want to get it used up. It's bulky. It's annoying me because like the actual balm isn't bad, but I don't like this kind of packaging to begin with, and it's just all, it doesn't look pretty. All right, next one, number 1. Can you believe I got number 1? Girls Just Want to Have Fun. Okay, this takes me back. Cyndi Lauper. Who doesn't have that song in their head right now? So that is something that is fun or a colorful item. Eyeshadow to me is always fun, and I like color. I like a lot of color. And this is a color that was in my, if you watch my pie or pan and everything, it was one of the 3 in there. It was one of the ones that didn't get chosen. And a lot of people voted on it. It just didn't get the most votes. So I'm going for it. I'm going for Python Green, which is this yellowy green shade right here. Yeah, that is going to be so much fun to play with. So in this project, I have this yellow green and then these 2 browns. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. And the very last prompt that I got was prompt number 10. That is 16 candles, and that is a product that makes all your wishes come true. Well, I don't know if it technically makes all of my wishes come true, because this girl got a lot of wishes in her. But as far as my hair, it makes my hair's wishes come true. And I love it, and if I run out of it, I will go and purchase it again. This is the Not Your Mother's Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Butter Mask. Like, I had to look at the name because it's so long I can't remember all. But I've already finished one of these, and this was brand new at the start of the year, and I had to use it once just because, you know, I have to smell it. It smells so stinking good. It smells clean. It doesn't smell like apples or anything like that. It just smells so refreshing and so clean. I love it. I love it so much. Those are my 8 products for my 8 prompts. I love this project so, so much. I wish I could have put it further in my rotation, but a lot of the projects that I have been doing are recurring, and I kind of keep those on a similar schedule to where they were last year. And since this is a new project, it kind of got pushed back a little bit. But oh, I'm so excited to be working on this. I can't wait. And except for this hair mask, which a girl needs her mask for her hair. I've not touched any of these other products since the first of the year. I didn't want to touch them before I had a chance to film. And yeah, now I'm filmed and I'm happy. I'm happy I get to start playing again. All right, again, PANtastic Ladies year-long project. Hopefully I will have some good progress to show you on my first update. And because I want to be able to get more prompts because, yeah, this is cool. And Jaylon, if you're watching this and you want to bring it back again next year, please, I'm ready for it, because I could do this probably every single year and never get bored with it because it's roulette. It's fun. It's fun times. All right, so everyone's going to be listed down there. Check them out. Show them some love. Join in if you want to. To get all of the prompts in the list, you probably would have to join the PANtastic Ladies Facebook group because that's where it all is. And yeah, I think that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.